Justo's time tracking feature simplifies managing employee hours, attendance, and payroll. Here's a quick guide to get started with it. Enable time tracking. First, log into your Justo admin account and navigate to time tracking in the settings menu. Enable time tracking for employees by choosing the roles that need tracking. Justo will automatically add time tracking capabilities to these users' profiles. Set up employee access. Employees can clock in and out directly from their Justo account. They will see a time tracking tab where they can log their start and end times and add any breaks. This feature works on both desktop and mobile devices, making it convenient for all team members. Review and approve hours. At the end of each pay period, managers or admins can review employee hours. In the time tracking section, you will see a breakdown of logged hours for each employee. Verify accuracy and approve hours to ensure they are ready for payroll processing. Sync with payroll. Once hours are approved, Justo automatically syncs them with payroll. This makes payroll calculations faster and reduces errors, as all data flows directly from time tracking into payroll.